Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent machinery's corrosion-proof fans are constructed with high-quality materials and equipped with motors from leading brands to ensure safe operation in chemical storage facilities. Performance scraps and cooling pressure and airflow characteristics are meticulously analyzed to match safety standards. Dynamic balancing minimizes the risk of vibration-related failures. Decent machinery sells by providing customized solutions in comprehensive after-sales support, addressing international buyers' concerns about safety and reliability. Incorrect selection can result in hazardous conditions and increased maintenance costs.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.